Hello students, I am Nikam sir. We have to start the second physical property of haloalkanes, that is boiling point. Now boiling points of alkyl halides Rx are higher than those of corresponding alkanes due to higher polarity of alkyl halides and high molecular mass. Boiling point of alkyl halides Rx increases with increase in atomic mass of halogen because magnitude of van der Waals forces increases with increase in size and atomic mass of halogen atom. हॅलोजनचं साईज आणि मास जसजसं वाढत जाईल तसतसं अल्किल हॅलाइड्समधल्या मॉलिक्युलचं व्हॅन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन जास्त होणार, वाढणार आणि म्हणून अल्केनच्या कम्पॅरिझनने अल्किल हॅलाइडचा बॉइलिंग पॉईंट कसा असतो, नेहमी हायर असतो. नाव देर इज अ बॉइलिंग पॉईंट ऑर्डर, दॅट मीन्स बॉइलिंग पॉईंट ऑफ अल्किल हॅलाइड्स decreases in the following order, that is Ri has greater boiling point than RBr, RBr has greater boiling point than RCl, and lastly RF comes. So alkyl iodide have higher boiling point than remaining alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride and alkyl fluoride. Also straight chain alkyl halides, they have higher boiling point as compared to branch chain alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Why straight chain alkyl halides have greater boiling point than branch system? Because in the branch system surface area decreases, and this surface area increases in straight chain alkyl halides, but there is decrease in surface area in branch system, and due to the decrease in surface area, hence van der Waals forces of attraction are also decreases, and hence the branch system has less boiling point than straight chain haloalkanes. So we have compounds, different three compounds we have taken examples and their boiling point. First there is straight chain alkyl halide, that is CH3 CH2 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 Br. Name is N-butyl bromide. It has boiling point 375 Kelvin. Second compound isobutyl bromide, that is boiling point is 364 Kelvin. And third one tertiary butyl bromide, it has boiling point 346 Kelvin. So ब्रांच चेन सिस्टीमचा या ठिकाणी बॉइलिंग पॉईंट कमी होताना आपल्याला दिसतोय. स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाऊंडचा 375, नंतर आयसोब्युटिलचा आपल्याला मिळाला आहे कंपाऊंडचा 364, आणि लास्ट वन टर्चरी ब्युटिल म्हणजे ब्रांच सिस्टीम इन्क्रीज होताना आपल्याला दिसते आणि तो बॉइलिंग पॉईंट पण कमी झालेला आहे 346 केल्विन. सो दिस इज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ this is about boiling point of alkyl halides. Now next one, that is third physical property, that is solubility. Now we have seen already that alkyl halides Rx, they are polar compounds. Though alkyl halides are moderately polar compounds, they are insoluble in water because these alkyl halides, they are unable, or it is unable to form hydrogen bonding with water molecules, but there is a strong forces of attraction in between the two Rx molecules. ते त्यांची सोल्युबिलिटी पाण्यामध्ये कशी सांगितलेली, कमी सांगितलेली. दे आर इनसोल्युबल इन वॉटर. मग ते सोल्युबल कशामध्ये असतात? Now alkyl halides, they are more soluble in different organic solvents. They are soluble in non-polar organic solvents. आणि alkyl halides आपण 11वीला शिकलो आहोत. Alkyl halides, they are organic compounds, and any organic compound which are insoluble in water, they are less soluble in water, but they are more soluble in different solvents, different organic solvents. This is valid, same it is valid for aryl halides also. That means aryl halides are less soluble or insoluble in water, but they are more soluble in different organic solvents. Now, aryl halides which containing more than one or two halogen atoms, they have nearly same boiling point, but their melting point differs. That means para isomer have larger or greater melting point as compared to ortho and meta isomer. So we have the following three compounds, their structures are given. First compound, that is ortho-dichlorobenzene, second one is meta-dichlorobenzene, and third one is para-dichlorobenzene. So their boiling point is same for these three compounds, but their melting point is differ. 256 Kelvin melting point for ortho isomer, meta isomer having 249 Kelvin. There is not much difference in between these two in case of melting point, but if we see the melting point of para-dichlorobenzene or para isomer, then it have larger melting point, 323. Why it is larger than these remaining two? Because in para isomer there is greater association takes place in between the molecules of para isomer, and hence due to the greater forces of attraction, more energy is used to break that association. Hence the para isomer has greater melting point. Now these are the physical properties of alkyl halides. Now we will see the chemical properties in next video.